me right? Okay, sticking his tongue out because smelling the air with it. Right, but sometimes, parang hirap, di ba? Well, sila mo ay hindi, wala silang tayo pa. So the eyes are always open even if you're sleeping. But it is protected with a transparent tail called spectacles. And then you see that beautiful pattern on this skin. Well, like that, well, it helps it blend to the environment just like a different right here. See again, that's what we call camouflage. Okay, this time I have a question for you. So most people think snakes are slippery and slimy. Are they? No, okay. Ganito na lang. Who says snakes are slippery and slimy? Raise your hand. Slippery and slimy? Ayun, meron. 1, 2, 3 lang. And how about smooth and dry naman? Snakes are smooth and dry? Okay, mas marami. And how about I don't know? No idea at all. Okay, so okay, don't be shy. Ayun na yan. Yan, basta. So, gano'n na lang. If you want to volunteer from the figure it out. Okay, girls, how about I think you're on the volunteer? Walang paha naman tayo dyan. Alright, alam mo naman tayo? Pero lang, what is your name? Ashen. Okay, Ma'am Ashen, sino kasama niya? Your family, isa sila lang? Okay, ako naman sa yung kasama. Hi! Alright, family, any answers for Ma'am Ashen? Bye-bye. At first, I'm only giving the first question. Medyo lang. Okay, because please, di ba, magkakit tayo? Okay, first, I want you to touch the tail just like this. Okay, sa kamay, right hand na hold, sa kamay side natin 2 times. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, ready? Yes, right hand and left hand. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, very nice. Okay, next, dito tayo sa gitna. Okay, next, I want you to do the next try from here. Next, down to the tail. Sino dito tayo? Ayan, ano ba? Ayan, yes ma'am. Medyo kumanin na kapatid ma'am. Sige ma'am. Tapos, pabalik naman ma'am. Pabalik naman naman. Wow. Patapos na. Yeah, very nice. Okay, next, I want you to touch the head. Yes, great. Alam, narinig mo ma'am. Are you happy with it? Thank you. Stop, come on. Are you happy with it? After the gold cleaning, ma'am, dapat muna tayo dito. Okay, right and yellow. So first, all you have to do is raise your hand, just like that, and at the top of 3 touch the head, slowly and gently. Okay, ma'am, ready? Okay, folks, bilang tayo ha. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Agad yun. Magalaglag. Okay, hindi na lang ma'am. Okay, 1, 2, and... Okay, sige, balik ka sige na.
Pag yan na trauma, hindi na makating.
Ayun na, everybody's waiting for your answer kasi nawakin siya. Slipper and slime on snake or smooth and dry? Yes, sir, correct ma'am. Because of that, I have a surprise for you. Sige lang, hawakan ko na. Ito po. Sige sa camera, smile. Alright, now we're walkie pose. Walkie. Okay, here. Here naman, here. Okay, jump shot.